What's up, guys? So I'm just sitting here in my truck waiting for this thing to burn to the ground. What we're doing here is this old pole barn that was here was starting to rot away. All the posts were pretty much rotted at the ground level. When I went to smash it up, like literally this thing bolted on itself. So taking down this old pole barn, we're going to put up a new shop for this guy. He's a hot air balloon pilot. Pretty cool little project, 40 by 60 pole barn, and we're going to do the slab, all the poles, framing, interior work, insulation. So I'm going to try to video a little bit of all the process and keep you guys into some good content. As long as COVID-19 doesn't shut me down, which we've pretty much been able to work nonstop all the way through it thus far. And all my guys are healthy, and honestly, we're in Montana, so we're doing pretty good. Thanks, guys. Here we go.
It is. The Matrix is everywhere. It is all around us. Even now, in this very room. You can see it when you look out your window, or when you turn on your television. You can feel it when you go to work, when you go to church, when you pay your taxes. is the world that has been pulled over your eyes to blind you from the truth. What truth? That you are a slave.
So in conclusion, everything came down really great, burned great, ready to start forming tomorrow and get this thing started. Can't wait to see this thing finished and the final product and see how happy the customer is with their new building.